Dr. Pepper barbecue short ribs. 2.5 pounds of gorgeous beef short ribs. Covered in Dr. Pepper. I'm pretty sure one of those 23 flavors isn't garlic. And soy sauce is going to help suck those 23 flavors, including the garlic, in. Nestle those in nice. The high pH in soda is just like lemon juice and is going to help tenderize that tough meat. That meat's changed color overnight. You can tell the Dr. Pepper has done its work, but we got to dry those ribs off first. You can toss that marinade, but that Dr. Pepper isn't going to do it on its own. We got to push it real good with black pepper, salt and peppers here, coarse pepper. That's what you want. Coarse pepper is going to create that bark that's going to protect the meat as it barbecues. Just get it everywhere there's meat. Now we're ready to hit the barbecue. You don't need one of those fancy smokers. I'm doing this on a kettle grill. Gas, charcoal, whatever you got, don't matter. The key is to place your meat on the opposite side of the fire. And by placing the vent directly over the meat, we can control our temperature using the convection effect. That's how you barbecue. The key is to keep those temps between 2 and 250. If they start creeping up, close your vents. If you need to increase the temp, open them or add fuel. We're gonna be here a while. It's been 2.5 hours. My temps are falling. And my meat's looking good, but it's not quite there. Time to add some fuel. I don't got one of those fancy pellet stoves. Don't worry about it, color's flavor. These are going back to sleep for a while longer. It's been a total of 5 hours, and I can promise you, you can smell the black pepper. These beauties have beat the stall, and they're ready to come in. Those beautiful short ribs got all the smoke flavor they need, but they're getting double wrapped in parchment paper and foil. Each piece individually. These short ribs need to braise after getting that smoky flavor. Sure, you could wrap them and put them back on the barbie, but they ain't getting any more smoke flavor once they're wrapped into a 300-degree oven. It's been a total of 7 hours and smells f***ing amazing, but don't be tempted. They gotta rest at least an hour. Of course, they'll hold a couple 2-3 if you need them to. The double wrap keeps all the moisture in, making that meat extra tender. The only thing this needs is a little potatoes, veg, side of more Dr. Pepper.
Individual brisket on a bone. Man, that pepper's amazing, but let's talk about that meat.
Ah,
Wow. Man, that pepper crust is amazing.
that f***ing bark.
Man, I love that pepper. But whatever that soda did to that meat, it f***ing worked out.
It's like a brisket for one.
This might make me like short ribs. Not a lot of work, but totally worth the wait.